construction of the downtown arena facing the latest legal hurdle. The focus of today's court hearing, the environmental impact of the arena, with one of the main issues involving traffic in Sacramento. And arguments have just wrapped up. KCRA 3's Kevin Oliver joins us live from outside the Sacramento County Superior Courthouse with what the judge said today. Kevin?
Well, the judge basically listened to arguments from both sides this morning. I should point out that this is not, at this point, going to halt any of the demolition of the arena site or construction of the arena. But two different groups are basically suing the city over what they perceive are problems with the environmental impact report that was done for the project. Now, the judge listened to plaintiffs' attorneys over whether those problems exist and what, if anything, the city has to do about it. As you mentioned, one of the major issues that was brought up with the environmental impact report was one that we reported on at length last night on the 10 p.m. news, and that was the traffic impacts, especially on Interstate 5. Our investigation last night showed that the arena events could lead to backups on I-5 beyond Interstate 80 to the north, Highway 50 to the south, and even add more than 1,000 cars to Highway 60 or 160 for those events. Now, the plaintiffs say that there were issues with the city's traffic management plans and that the city has not done an adequate study of the impacts to I-5. The city, though, came back this morning and said that they have done adequate studies and that they have looked at the impacts on I-5, and they've also created some of the mitigation to deal with that, and that the Kings and the event organizers will have to deal with that when the arena is essentially completed. Now, the judge hasn't issued his final ruling on these. He is essentially going to go back into chambers, look over his tentative ruling and the issues that were discussed in court this morning, and issue a final ruling at some point down the road. Reporting live from downtown Sacramento, Kevin Oliver, KCRA 3 News.
And we'll continue to follow this story. All right, Kevin, thank you so much for the live report.